The new system will have several innovative features and will provide a wider range of services which are in line with international norms. The new features available will include the following: storage of digital certificates, which will enable the cardholder to authenticate and digitally sign documents, thus ensuring trust in online transactions and gradually eliminating the need to print documents for signing and eventually developing a paperless culture. Card reading, which will allow agencies to electronically read the national identity card. This means that it will be possible for agencies like the Passport and Immigration Office, banks, the Mauritius Post Limited, and many others. The most innovative part of the MNIC 3.0 system is the possibility for every citizen in the very near future to register for the digital wallet through an app on his smart device. The digital wallet is a secured storage for digital documents. In the first instance, the wallet will contain the digital version of the identity card, that is the mobile ID, which is now legally acceptable. The relevant legislation has already been amended for that purpose. Hence, any Mauritian citizen, if he so wishes, will have the possibility to use his mobile ID instead of the physical identity card, which has a secure proof of identity. Apart from the storage, the mobile ID, there is provision for the digital wallet to accommodate other digital documents, such as birth certificate and marriage certificate. Discussions are ongoing to explore the possibility of storing other documents in the digital wallet.